Hello, my dear. Let's talk about punctuation in English. Let's start the video. As you can see on the screen here, today I'm going to talk about punctuation in English. You might have been using punctuation marks in your daily life, but do you know the right use of those punctuation in English? So, my dear, today's video is going to be very fruitful for you, my dear. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and click the like button and turn on notification. Now let's start today's video. The first and foremost thing that you need to know about punctuation is comma. So as you can see on the screen here, Charles, Ralph, Piggy and Jimmy are students. Charles, Ralph, Piggy and Jimmy are students. You can see the use of those comma punctuation marks there. After Charles, after Ralph, after Charles, after Ralph. That is in the red color you can see comma there. Number two, I have written here semicolon. Semicolon is also one of the punctuation in English. And the use of this semicolon is Jack ate mangoes and apples. And you can see on the screen here, that is in red color, that is called semicolon. Yes, Jack ate mangoes and apples. Sita drank coffee and tea. That is, my dear, semicolon. And number three, there you can see colon. Some examples are given below. Yes, that is the sign after the word colon there and in the sentence as well. Some examples are given below in the red color, that is known as colon. Next, punctuation that we often use, or most often we use this, that is called full stop. Might here. Yes, full stop. You can see the sign here. Number four, I am a teacher. At the end of the sentence, you can see the use of full stop there. All of you use this full stop. The next one is question mark. Do you love her? This sign is called, my dear, question mark. Next one, number six, exclamation mark. As you can see on the screen there, exclamation mark. You can see the sign inside the bracket as well. Let me tell you the use of this. How beautiful are you? If you're surprised, in that context you can make use of this apostrophe. I mean exclamation mark. Next one, number seven, you can say quotation mark. For example, she said they are my friends. You can see before the sentence they are my friends, or you can say before they, or at the last for friends. You can see the use of that quotation mark. It means if you are going to present someone's saying, in that sense we use this quotation mark. Next one is apostrophe. As you can see there, apostrophe. We won't pass it between N and T. Yes, there you can see N and T, between N and T. We won't pass it. We often use this to show shortcut form, like one is the short form of will not. Okay. The next one is dash. For example, she involved in prostitution and her son was robbing. Dash. It was destruction. So, my dear, when do we use this kind of, dash to make further clarification? To make further clarification, we use this dash. Next one is hyphen. So my father-in-law is a doctor. So this is short form. Hyphen is very short than dash. Dash is a longer one, and hyphen is shorter than dash. For example, my father-in-law is a doctor. Okay, and the last one, my dear, is slash or oblique. Slash or oblique. You can see the shine here inside the bracket there. She or he, or you can say he or she will go to London. He or she will go to London. It means either he or she will go to London. So, friends, my dear, these are some of the punctuation marks in English. You can see clearly there punctuation in English, and if you follow these steps to write sentences, to write paragraphs, if you to use of these punctuation, your English will be surely improved. I hope so. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. But if you like this video, please write comments. Don't forget to do that. Like this video, and once again, thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.